In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your OneDrive storage plan. Whether you need more space for your files or you're looking to adjust your current plan, I've got you covered with a simple and clear explanation to guide you through the process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. Once the page loads, make sure to sign in with your Microsoft account. This is the account associated with your OneDrive storage that you'll be managing today. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, but that's a different topic for another time. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home page of your OneDrive account. Now, look towards the left sidebar of your screen where you'll see various options listed. Among these, you'll find a section that says Storage. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking on this will open up a page dedicated to your current storage plan and its details. You'll be able to see how much storage you have used and, importantly, how much space you have left. From this point, look towards the section that provides details of your current storage plan. You'll find an option to upgrade or change your storage plan. By selecting this, you are taken to a page that displays various storage options available for you. There's typically a range of plans offering different amounts of additional storage space. Here, take a moment to review your choices. Consider how much space you actually need and how much you're willing to spend on this upgrade. Once you've decided on the right plan for your needs, click on the plan option. You'll then be guided through the purchasing process. Usually, you'll need to confirm your payment method and your billing information. If your account has existing payment details, these might already be filled out for you. Review the details to ensure everything is accurate, as this will finalize your choice to change or upgrade your storage plan. After confirming your payment and completing the purchase, you will be greeted with a confirmation message indicating the change has been successful. This typically takes effect immediately, but in some cases, it might take a few minutes to reflect in your account. You can go back to your OneDrive page and check your available storage to be sure everything is updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed your OneDrive storage plan. Remember, you can always change your plan again if your storage needs change in the future. It's a good practice to occasionally review your storage and subscription to ensure it's meeting your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful as you manage your OneDrive storage more effectively. If this video assisted you, feel free to subscribe for more content like this.